Magandang araw sa lahat ng mga Pilipino sa mang sulok ng mundo, Luzon, Visayas at Mindanao. Ito ang Kabirada Lance Channel at ako si Lance. Para sa hindi pa nakapag-subscribe, paki-subscribe naman at paki-like and share. At kung meron kayong masasabi sa video ito, paki-comment at pag-usapan natin sa comment section para naman tayo magsama-sama panghabang buhay. Paki-hit ng notification bell at tayo magsama-sama forever. Okay, nandito na ang balita.
Ano gusto niyo, ma'am?
Request
Basahin ko pa to?
Yes, yung patient, sir. I know. Hindi ko na rin alam bakit ganito na.
So may assisting physician? May gusto lang na palito?
Meron talaga.
May facility?
Kinlose nila, sir. Kinlose.
Ayaw mo talaga ayaw mo
Design siya.
yung ambulance yun. Deadline.
Design siya on her own. Pwede mo kami mag-request ng cameras.
Ano daw?
Pasukin ng general cameras.
Cameras.
Gusto mo? Palapitin ng mga media?
Opo.
Sige.
Lapit na. Go na. Go, go, go. Okay. Double time, double time.
Ding! I-release mo, media.
Release, 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 release. Go. Go na, sabi ni General. Lapit na. Si General lang nagsabi.
Ayaw ng hospital.
Hindi
Ayaw
na,
ng hospital.
hanggang dyan lang naman yung camera eh.
Ayaw ng hospital.
Hanggang dyan lang sa inyo.
Huwag nyo lang i-block yung side ng camera.
Alis na lang dito ang mga kwan para makita na
Para
namin.
makita ng camera.
Sige, ma'am.
I-clear natin ito yung para makita ng camera.
Veteran plan. We're going to bring it to the veteran plan. Considering that as requested, attorneys Veronica Lopez has been examined by the physicians and cleared in the Medical Center, Quezon City. You are directed to transfer Attorney Lopez to the Veterans Memorial Medical Center, Quezon City. Ma'am, si VP, and anybody of your choice. May text tayo galing kay SILG Remulla. Ma'am, ang sabi ni SILG Remulla,
Yan din ang sabi niyo, tapos kinuha niyo ako kanina, dadalhin niyo ako sa correctional.
ma'am, hindi ma'am, tapos na yun.
Totoo.
To General Nick Torre from SILG John Vic Remulla, transfer of Attorney Zuleika Lopez to Veterans Memorial Center. Dear General Torre, as verbally agreed upon, the transfer of Attorney Lopez to the Veterans Memorial Hospital shall be complied with respect to the House directive to transfer her. Please accord all security measures necessary to ensure her safety. Furthermore, please allow the untethered access of her personal physicians during her confinement. The attorney will also be afforded full visiting rights of the following people: Senator Bato de la Rosa, Senator Amy Marcos, Vice President Sara Duterte. Please be advised that all pertinent hospital safety guidelines should be followed, as well as hospital policies or visitation practices. For strict and immediate compliance, signed, SILG, John Vic Remulla. Huh? Sure, John.
I don't need restaurant anymore. That's what they told me. the house. And the way it brought me.
Dito, maraming witness. Maraming witness. Dito naman si, sasakay ka naman mo sa sasakyan ni
Pumayag sila
VP.
sa media, pumayag sila kay Senator Bato.
Ma'am, sasakay po kayo.
Pumayag sila sa akin.
Sasakay po kayo sa sasakyan ni VP. Kasama niyo po si VP sa sasakyan. She will be transporting you to Veterans Memorial Center.
Pumayag sila.
Hindi ka naman iiwanan ni VP, ma'am.
Sure yan, Nick, di ba?
Yes, sir.
Promise.
Of course, sir. Nandiyan naman si VP. They are just in one car. Okay, ma'am?
Padaan mo na, padaan na. Bibigyan nyo ng magandang ano dyan. Padaan na, padaan na. Ay, alala yun dyan.
Si VP, baka ma'am, paano ma'am? Paano?
Dito kami sa likod mo, ma. Huwag kang mag-alala.
Muna ako ha. Next.
Nicole.
Salamat, konti.
Lalayin mo, lalayin. Sino? Abangin nyo, guys. Nakalhook na.